What?
Hello girls, welcome back to our tahanan, and today we'll be cutting our hair. As you can see in the thumbnail, we'll be cutting my very own thick and long hair. So
Yes!
without further ado, let's get started. This is the end result of my hair, and it is now layered, which I love. I love layered colored hair. Okay, so I have achieved it. So now my hair feels lightweight and the split ends are all gone, and achievement unlocked. I do like it. Today's video. I do hope you do enjoy this. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to click the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you get updated for my next video. So thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!